Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to be teaching you or practically showing you what you can do to make your nails to last long, especially your plastic or ready-made nails. First, I'll teach you how to fix it, how to fill it in properly, and then how you can enable it to last long. So the first thing you need to do is to first of all take your nail cutter and then make sure you put your nail cutter into a better shape, because you know that as long as the nails are staying, your nails are going to be getting longer inside. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to file your nail. Filing of this nail is very important because it will enable your nails to stick right to where you are allocating them. Okay, so I advise you, or I recommend you, to use this particular super glue I'm using. Trust me, this super glue has really been a lot of much more better for me than other ones. So the next thing you need to do is to check out for any type of design you want. So for this one, I'll be doing this natural baby pink nails, plastic nails. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to measure my hand to make sure that each nails fits in. You guys know that we all have different hand shapes. Okay, so when trying to check out your hands, and whenever you're checking out your hands, make sure that as you're checking it for the left hand, you're already taking the second number for the right hand. Note that these nails have numbers inside, so you can also do well to like capture the number, so that whenever you're going to be fixing your nails, it is not going to be a very big issue for you. Okay, then you're going to take up that super glue and put in your main finger, and then you're also going to put it in the nails, just exactly how I am doing. Why are you doing this? You're doing this because you want the nails to stay longer. Okay, and these nails can actually serve you for at least 3 weeks or 1 month, depending on how you actually do what I'm telling you to do. So, and when you're trying to like fix it in, you make sure you press it in very well, and make sure it's not touching your last edges of your fingers, so that at the end of the day you don't end up damaging your fingers or having pains all over. Okay, so after that, you are going to take your filer to file in the nails properly. If you want to reduce the shape at this point, you can go ahead and reduce the shape at this point. If you don't want to reduce the shape, because me, I like this particular shape and I love how long it is, so I don't even want to reduce it at all. So you can just go ahead and do exactly what I am doing, and this is how you can actually file your right hand, since you are the one fixing it yourself. Okay, so you can just hold the file exactly the way I am holding it, and then just go in with your right hand. Everything is just going to be in place. Okay, so after filing all your hand, make sure that all the tiny particles inside that are going in always come out. This is where I recommend buffer. Sorry, I did this behind the scene. So this is the most important part when it comes to nails filling. You need to fill in the nails properly. When you want to fill these nails, make sure you're filling it very well, and don't be stingy with super glue, please. You can see the way I am filling it, because this is the 99% what we make these nails last longer for you, and you're also going to do the same for the other side. Then if you also want it to last, you're going to do exactly how I am also doing. This is also called filling, but this time around you're filling from the back of the nails, so that the nails can actually last long for you, and so that the nails can actually stay well no matter what you're doing, washing clothes, washing plates, and the rest of that. The nails is actually not going to shift. Okay, so after you're done filling, you give it some time so that the breeze will actually blow it, or the air will actually touch it. I don't know which one you understand. Sorry, I'm not Madam English. And then you are going to go in with your Adna or white cutlery. I call this white, but people say it's Adna. So you're going to go in so that to enable everything to just seal in. Okay, and after that you have to like give it some time and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. I love you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.